Hello dear children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn whole numbers part 2. Here we are going to learn the properties of whole numbers. When we look into various operations on numbers closely, we notice several properties of whole numbers. These properties help us to understand the numbers better. Let's discuss the properties of whole numbers. Here we see the sum of any two whole numbers is a whole number. That is, the collection of whole numbers is closed under addition. This property is known as the closure property for addition of whole numbers. Similarly, in multiplication also. The multiplication of two whole numbers is also found to be a whole number. So we say that the system of whole numbers is closed under multiplication. So the closure property is whole numbers are closed under addition and also under multiplication. Are whole numbers are closed under subtraction too? We will check. In this table, we can find that 7 minus 8 is not a whole number. 4 minus 9 is also not a whole number. So, the whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. Are the whole numbers closed under division? Observe this table. Here in the second row, 5 divided by 7 is equal to 5 by 7. It's not a whole number. So we can say the whole numbers are not closed under subtraction and division. We know 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 2 plus 3 is also equal to 5. So 3 plus 2 is same as 2 plus 3. We'll check it for 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is same as 6 plus 4. We can add two whole numbers in any order. You will not get any pair of whole numbers for which the sum is different when the order of addition is changed. So we say that addition is commutative for whole numbers. This property is known as commutativity for addition. We can multiply two whole numbers also in any order. Multiplication is also commutative for whole numbers. 4 into 5 is same as 5 into 4. Here in A, you can add 2 and 3 first and then add 4 to the sum. And in B, you can add 3 and 4 first and then add 2 to the sum. You get the same answer. This is associativity of addition for whole numbers. We will check it for multiplication also. Here in A, we multiply 2 and 3 first and then multiply 4 with the product of 2 into 3. And in B, we multiply 3 and 4 first, then multiply 2 to the product of 3 and 4. We get the same answer. This is associative property for multiplication of whole numbers. Next is distributivity. Let's find out 6 into 8. 6 into 8 we can write as 6 into 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 we will put into a bracket. This is same as 6 into 5 plus 6 into 3. This is called the distributivity of multiplication over addition. Next we will learn identity for addition and multiplication. The difference between the whole numbers and natural numbers is just the presence of 0 in the collection of whole numbers. Thus, the number 0 has a special role in addition. When you add 0 to any whole number, the result is the same whole number again. Here we came across an additive identity for whole numbers. A number remains unchanged when added to 0. Similar is the case for a multiplicative identity for whole numbers. From this table, we can see that 1 is the identity for multiplication of whole numbers or multiplicative identity for whole numbers. So the additive identity for whole numbers is 0 and multiplicative identity for whole numbers is 1. So in this session, we learned the different properties of whole numbers. I hope you understood this session. In the next session, we will discuss chapter 3, Playing with Numbers. Till then, I wish all of you a happy learning.